Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest and I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you. It's the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. Do join link in description box if you're interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best website where you can write article and earn money online. For more information, watch all the video till the end. That's very great to you. Grab the opportunity, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and put the link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I also
What is Listverse? Listverse is a spot for adventurers. Together we search out the most intriguing and uncommon pearls of human information. We compose, we read, we learn, and simultaneously, we have a good time. Consistently we distribute at least 3 stunning records stuffed with whatever number new realities is would be prudent. If you visit the site link in the description box. Is listverse.com legitimate? Listverse.com isn't a trick. However, their installments were incredibly delayed for me and took far longer than expressed. In any case, I have been paid. Much obliged to you, Listverse. How does Listverse bring in cash? Listverse conveys a structure letter saying that they get 150 entries for every day and just distribute 3 of those. In the event that that is precise, who knows? At that point, there are 147 journalists for each day who invested energy in their articles simply like me and were not paid for the entirety of their work. What amount of time does it require Listverse to hit you up? It states 14 days, but since of their huge number of sections, it can take longer. Be cautious getting some information about the status of your articles. I held up 3 weeks and got some information about the 2 articles I had composed and shipped off their site. Compose and get paid. 1. Get paid $100. Do you need to bring in cash on the web? Listverse was based on the endeavors of Peruses simply like you. Peruses who didn't have any insight as authors, however, chosen to assemble a rundown and send it in. So here is the arrangement. We will pay you $100 for your endeavors. You don't should be a specialist. You simply need to have English equivalent to that of a local speaker, a comical inclination, and an affection for things irregular or interesting. It works this way. You compose your rundown, 10 things for each rundown least. You send it in, we answer and state, extraordinary. We'll distribute it, and send you $100 by PayPal. Don't have a record? Simply make one. It's simple and free, or we answer and state, sorry, it isn't such a thing. Our Peruses will adore. Offer it one more opportunity. Just recollect, your rundown should be in any event a couple of passages for each entry. Either way, you win. Your rundown will be perused by us and explored, and if it's astounding, it will show up on the first page of Listverse to be perused by a great many individuals a month. We cannot acknowledge records from scholars who don't have a PayPal account. This is non-debatable. In the event that PayPal doesn't uphold your nation, kindly don't demand elective strategies for installment. If you create a PayPal account, link in the description box. 2. The rules are truly pretty straightforward. However long your rundown, and we do mean yours, don't take others' stuff, is a couple of passages for each thing. You can pick any theme you like. We additionally need you to connect to legitimate sources. See section 7 of our creator control for additional subtleties, so we can confirm the current realities of what you're stating. Simply recall, if it's adequate to distribute, by all accounts, you get $100, straightforward as that. To help you out with certain thoughts, the rundowns that our Peruses love the most, and the ones we will undoubtedly pay for, are records that are unique and novel, records that are taking a gander at something typical in an unforeseen manner, ways school makes you stupid. For instance, unsolved secrets, concealed information, things the vast majority don't have the foggiest idea, misinterpretations, and very amazing general information about anything, science, for instance. What we would prefer not to see the rundown on games, self-improvement, individual stories, or gaming. We don't distribute assessment records. Gracious. And there's one more thing. If you have a blog, a Twitter account, or a book you need to advance, notice it in the entries structure and we will stick it at the lower part of your rundown. 3. Pictures and video. When you send in your rundown, you don't have to incorporate pictures or recordings. Our group of editors works admirably choosing the best pictures to supplement your composition. Be that as it may, in the event that you are frantic to incorporate a portion supporting symbolism or recordings, simply incorporate a connection to the YouTube page or a URL of the image you like with everything on your rundown. We don't guarantee we'll utilize them, yet we'll unquestionably think about them. If it's not too much trouble, note that we distribute unique articles. We don't post infographics, slideshows, or recontributed to a blog content. We don't distribute supported articles or substances from different locales or YouTube. Ready to begin? Simply head over to the entries shape and get composing. I hope you're enjoying the video and start from today. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share and ring the bell icon. Leave a comment on how you feel after watching the video. Good luck.